Hey guys, video on Rocketlab. Yeah, we're pulling back here, 14% almost. Still, to me, I'm not changing my view. This wave 4 needed to happen. The box started where we are now, so shouldn't be a surprise. Taken from, let me check here, from this low here to this high. Okay. This is if we take it as a 1-2, 1-2. Okay. We could even take this as a single 1-2 here. All of this being your wave 3. Then we would have to take the box from here, which would also put us inside the box. Doesn't really matter too much. Like this, we give ourselves a little bit less room before we invalidate the wave 4. I'll keep both in mind, but for now I'm just going to keep it like we have on the chart. I'm going to remove this internal labeling. Going to keep this. This is your lower degree wave 4 in this case. A higher degree wave 4 tends to test this lower degree wave 4 range. So I'll just highlight it with a box here. Maybe like this to cover it, or I'll just take it from here to cover the whole previous wave 4, and I'll make the box a bit prettier. It can stay green, but then wait, not the sides. I want the inside not to be this bright. Like this is better, I think. Okay, so we want to find support inside here ideally. If it moves down more, we've got 110.62 next. Be mindful this is happening with a lot of pressure on the S&P with this oil spike, so actually still pretty okay for like a lot of stocks. This one will recover as well, okay? In my opinion, Rocketlab can move very fast and it can like recover a lot in a very short period of time. Now this internal labeling here, I'm gonna go with, this is the high here, we've got an 86 at here, so I'm gonna go with ABC and wave W, ABC and wave X, and then here wave Y, with another ABC. I want to toggle on the extended trading hours just to check something here, what this internal structure here looks like, because we've just got a gap. This can help sometimes. So we could say that this is potentially an A, B, and then your C wave here, okay? One other way to count this could be A, wait, I need to think here. Let me toggle this off again because it's making me trip. Okay, so A, B, and then a C wave, okay? And then inside your C wave, you want to see a 5 wave move down. That's another way to count this, maybe even better with how aggressive this is. So I'm going to change it to ABC. And then we're going to look inside the structure with the extended trading hours toggled on. It's tripping. Why is my internet so bad today? But here, as you can see, then highest volume inside this move. That's good. We want to see a 5 wave move in wave C. So this could have been a 1-2, 1-2. Yeah, very aggressive second wave 1 here. 3, 4, 5, and then maybe another 4, 5 here to create some bullish divergence potentially here on the 1 hour chart. Could happen. Okay. So I think like this, it's better. And then I'll label, we could even say that this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in a larger wave 1 instead of the double 1, 2. Maybe that's even better. 3, now then a wave 4, maybe to backtest this point of control, then a wave 5, make the bullish divergence, and then from there we can try to move up once again. What would be a sign for me that this is not an ABC, but that this is a WXY, with this being the ABC and this being the low? That would be if you take fibs from here, okay, to here, and if we toggle on the 618, a wave 4 should not hit the 618. So if this is internally a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside this wave C, we don't want to hit the 618 with this wave 4. Okay, so if this does this and hits this, then okay, this is the low. As long as we don't do that, any price action here can be the wave 4. We can move down, make the 5th wave, and then make bullish divergence here. What am I doing, man? What the fuck? We could make bullish divergence here with the RSI, higher low, lower low here, and yeah, we could work from there to try and move back up. Come on, what are you doing? So like this, I hope it makes sense to you. I'm gonna remove this. We talked also about this trend line being a very aggressive one. We've got a lot of touch points here from the higher time frame, so it wasn't gonna be easy. And yeah, once we close below this point of control, puts pressure to move down. We got it now, and yeah, that's it. We have to watch the $131 level. As long as you don't do that, this can move down here locally. Ideally, we do that on lower volume, okay, consistently. On the 4 hour, it's already looking nice. On the 1 hour as well, we want to see just grinding here with overlap on lower volume, and then ultimately create bullish divergence would help. Of course, the RSI here is different than on the extended trading hour, so this can still take some time, okay? And then let's see, let's try to stay inside this box. Lowest point is at 115. Should we go below that, we've got 110 next. Invalidation is all the way down here. Don't think we're gonna get there before completing this move, hopefully, okay? Because if we end it like this, it's not really nice, because of we are missing like a larger wave 4 and a larger wave 5, and we're trying to get it now. Let's see. I'm also thinking of this still 1 2 3 4 5 instead of the double 1 2. Doesn't really matter too much. I think at least one more high is gonna be achievable here before we do maybe a larger correction. And yeah, I will start to doubt that if this shows weakness here, but nothing wrong with the price for now. Okay, looking at the other one, ASTS. This one is more tricky because I don't know how to take these fibs perfectly, okay? Could be like this as well. Maybe let's just be conservative and take it from here. And also then maybe it's wise to label this now 3, 4, 5. Okay, a wave 4 should not hit the 618, so we've got still some room to the downside. We're now below this local point of control. Maybe for today it would be good to try and get above this point of control, okay, at 104.56. Also then here structure is going to be difficult because of this gap here. I just want to check it, but sometimes it's not so easy. Yeah, we could maybe argue that this is a WXY with an ABC here. Okay, what is good is that on the regular hours, this move down is happening on lower volume. Okay, no bullish divergence, we missed out on it, but this is good in my opinion. It's moving down on lower volume, not with aggressive selling. This was an aggressive sell, but now it's just on lower volume. That's in my opinion good. And if we continue to get that, like moving down with overlap with lower volume, this will ultimately get an attempt to move up, and then we'll see, can we get this 5th wave or not. Should we move down here, we've got this trend line with 3 touch points, so I don't think this should be ignored. And then the 0.5 fib at 96.97 next. So we'll take it from there. Yeah, it's selling off pretty strong today, but not really something that worries me. The rally has been crazy as well. It has like more than doubled, almost tripled in a few months, so it's normal to get a pullback. Price needs to reset. People need to get liquidated, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.